This is Ganesh. Today I will be explaining about circular flow of income. Before going to circular flow of income, we need to understand certain things. In every economy, there exist three important economic activities. These are production, distribution, and disposition. We can say these are the three important economic activities, or these are the three different stages of any economy. So, when we come to production, production means that is production of goods and services. In every economy, goods and services are produced and they are consumed by the people, or they are exported to other countries to earn foreign exchange. So, production is an essential activity where goods and services are produced. The second economic activity is distribution. Here, distribution means distribution of national income among the various factors of production. We have seen there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and enterprise. So, the income whatever is earned will be distributed among these factors in the form of their rewards. Land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest, and entrepreneur gets profit. So, the distribution of national income among these factors of production for their contribution in the production process is called distribution, and that is the second stage of any economy. Here we need to understand that without the contribution of these factors, production of goods and services is not possible. So, for their contribution in the production process, they are paid reward. Here we also need to understand that these factor services are provided by the households, that is the people. So these factor incomes are received by the people, the individuals of the economy. When we come to the third stage, that is the disposition. Disposition means spending the money in the form of consumption expenditure or investment expenditure. So who is spending the money here? The households are spending the money. From where they have received the money? As in the form of reward. Due to what? Due to taking part in the production process. So here, when these households spend the money in the form of consumption expenditure to consume various goods and services, or in the form of investment expenditure when they purchase machinery or equipments, then that is called investment expenditure. So here households are spending their money. So that is called disposition. So these are the three important economic activities of any economy. Here in the diagram you can see I have tried to establish the relationship between all the three important economic activities. You can see the production phase is there, where I have written generation of income. Here goods are produced, services are produced, they are sold, so income is generated. Then that income goes to the second phase, that is distribution of income in the income phase. Here that income what is generated in the production phase is distributed among various factors of production in the form of factor payments. So income is received by the factors. The third economic activity I have shown that is disposition of income, that is the expenditure phase, where the households are spending the money what they have received for the purchase of goods and services. So again the money is going back to the firms. So here we can see how money is passing from one phase to another to the next phase. It has started from the production phase, then income phase, then expenditure phase, then the money is again coming back to the production phase. So this is called circular flow of income. Now we will understand what is circular flow of income. Circular flow of income is a cycle of generation of income in the production process, its distribution among the factors of production, and its circulation from households to the production units in the form of consumption expenditure on goods and services produced by these units. So this is how the flow of money starts from the production phase, it goes to the distribution phase, then it goes to the expenditure phase, then finally it comes to the production phase. So this is called your circular flow of income. So we can say it is the flow of money from one activity to the other among the three basic economic activities. That is, the same money is getting transferred from one activity to the other, and among all the three economic activities, the same money is flowing from one activity to the other to the next. In this same way, the money is moving from one activity to another, and that is what is called circular flow of income.